Sorry, the free version of Screencast-O-Matic only has 15 minutes. I thought that was going to be enough, but I just barely didn't have enough time. I just wanted to close that other video by saying, one thing that's important for me as a takeaway from this is that I don't take for granted for even one moment what happened to me, because a reason that I stand before you today is luck. I feel like I was lucky that I got that moment to have that random occurrence of events, progression of events to happen to me to give me the confidence that I needed. And I don't take for granted that many of us won't get that. We won't have that magic moment that just puts it all into place, that we have to actually use our own abilities to put this into perspective. It's easy to feel insecure, to feel inferior in moments. We're all going to have that happen from time to time. It's easy in those moments to lose perspective of the things that we are good at. We all are unique. That's why I study psychology, and that's why I hope a lot of you are interested in this subject, is we all are so unique and so different to one another, from one another. And that's what makes this so beautiful. My situation happened to be that I was in the right place at the right time. Even if that doesn't happen to someone, I hope that you can try to put that into perspective. We can get what we need to be successful in college. That's why you're here. A class might be hard and you might have to work harder than someone else to get that A in that class, but you are capable of it. And that person doesn't have to work as hard to get that A, may have to work twice as hard at something else. That might be something that you are gifted in. I'm going to talk about that idea more late in the semester when we get to personality. That comes back and I make a big point out of that. But for now, thank you for indulging me for my story. Make sure you get those discussion boards up. But before you do them, please take a few minutes and just consider all of that. The article, what I shared, the end of the PowerPoint, as well as the videos, and just give a little thought to what's intelligence to you, what's important to you. And I think that will help a lot with getting perspective for this chapter. All right, I'll see everyone back in class.